Alright, what's up guys? So here we go. So picked this thing up yesterday around noon. Let me show it to you. So this is a 2003 YZF450F. Now we're going to try to do everything real quick, as in look it over, see if it'll start, ride it, so on. I have not tried to start it today. Yesterday, of course, it started perfectly when I looked at it. I got it home about 6 hours later, it wouldn't start, but maybe I flooded it. So we'll get it off this little lift here and see if we can get it fired up. So I haven't started it today. Choke on, gas is on. As I thought, of course it won't start the next day. That's why probably said I overpaid for it. So as usual, well not usual, but most time, won't start. So when I went and looked at this bike, fired up right away, guy pulled the choke, kicked it over, boom. Now it doesn't start. Figures. So paid $1,200 for it. When it did start and it ran, it ripped. I mean, it ran so good. The whole engine was rebuilt 3 years ago, supposedly. You can see where there's gaskets and stuff on it. But it's pretty got a lot of stuff to it, a lot of stickers and things like that. So let's take a closer look at it. All right, so we're in a little tight spot right here. I did clean the garage. That's dirty again. So here it is. So it's got a lot of decals, stickers, stuff like that on it. But one thing that stood out was the full Yoshimura exhaust. I think it's about $400. I think $400 slip on. I think it's the whole pipe and everything though, all the way to the head. So I'm not sure, but that should be probably at least $500. Larger tank on it. It does have different like wheel spacers in the back, and see right here, I can't put a kickstand on it. What else? Pegs look the same. It does have all these decals on it. Rear tire shot. Sprockets look good, but the chain is super loose. It does have some little things here and there. It does have a pro circuit clamps here, Renthal bars. I don't know if the bars came with these already, but this didn't. I know that. I think it's like $400. So let's say $1,000 if you were to add that and the exhaust. You know, that's add-on stuff. I don't know, $50 maybe or something on these. But needs tires, won't start. Now that $1,200 investment became a pain in the neck, but it did run, it did ride when I looked at it. Also, yesterday too, it wouldn't start. So what I did is I did old school. I tied something to the back of a truck, had my wife pull me, and it fired right up. So could be I'm not kicking it hard enough, but that's what I picked up. That's a little bit closer look at it. I don't see anything else special about it besides the pipe, kind of like the wheel spacers. I don't know what these quick releases are or whatever. I don't know what that is. I have to look that up. But it did ride great when it rode. I can't get it started now. The goal was to put no more than $400 into it and have it riding for like $1,600 and post it for like $2,400 and hopefully, you know, get it sold. We will see. I'm gonna start taking some stuff off of it. So we're not gonna be able to ride it today, not gonna be able to hear it today, but as soon as I can, I'll do a video on that. And I want to get it, make sure it's running good and everything before I go grab some tires. Oh, and also, let me show you. So as I said, you can see the gaskets in here, but this water pump seals need replaced. And like you can see back here where it's been split before, you can see like the newer gaskets on here. So thanks for watching. As always, God bless, and pray that this thing gets going, because I don't need any more projects.